Good afternoon, this is Lori Nussbaum from Kilted Paw, and we're going to give you a quick demonstration on how to measure your dog. The first measurement, measurement A, is from the collar to the tail. The second measurement, measurement B, is the neck circumference. I'm going to go around the neck to in front. Measurement C is the front of the chest down the front. Measurement D is around the belly. And measurement E is from the spine straight down the leg to the edge of the belly. Thank you for your time and have a beautiful day.